Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones Sony. And you have to start by turn off your headphones, so press and hold power button for at least 2 seconds. After that you need to press and hold at the same time power button and multifunctional button at the right ear cup. So press and hold. And you need to wait until this LED light near to the power button will flash 4 times. Here we go. Now you can release your finger. And firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press and hold power button for at least 2 seconds to turn on it. And after a hard reset it enters to print mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!